Indomie fried rice, let's go. Before we begin, I just want to thank everybody for the support. We have reached 100 subscribers, let's go. And if you want to support the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and we'll reach 200 in no time. I might end up hating Indomie after this, but you never know until you try, right? This is one of the stupidest things I've made in my life, not including Big Mac fried rice, which you can check out at the top right of your screen. Not gonna lie, it smells pretty good already. Let's add an egg in there. Give it a few stirs, then we're gonna add our rice. For those who think that it's wrong to cook fried rice with fresh rice, man, go fuck yourself. That's the most time-wasting bullshit I ever heard in my fried rice career. But then again, what do I know, right? But I do know this fried rice doesn't have enough MSG, so let's add more. I want that umami explosion in my mouth. So we're gonna top it off with soy sauce. Pack that shit into a bowl and we're ready to serve. Match the source material by adding an egg on top, then sprinkle Japanese seasoning all over it. Let's have a taste test. Like and sub if you haven't already. Grab myself a generous spoon, and here we go. Indomie fried rice, 4 out of 5 rice.